Now that you've installed Zotero on your computer, you'll also want to install the Zotero connector so that you can add sources from your browser. After installing Zotero, Zotero will automatically open your browser to the Install Zotero connector page. If you aren't there, again, point your browser to zotero.org, click Download Now, and then Install Chrome Connector. If you're using another browser, Zotero will automatically sense the browser you're using and give you the correct installation for that browser. Click Install Chrome Connector, and then add extension or allow the browser to install the connector. Alright, that was very easy. In Firefox and Safari, the process should be very similar. Now the Zotero connector is present in my browser and I can add sources to the Zotero application and library.